Now, simple ankle sprains usually involve a lower grade injury to only the ATFL, the CFL, or the deltoid ligament. But the syndesmotic ligaments are not injured, and there is no severe injury to cartilage or bone. Usually the injury mechanism is quite minor, such as tweaking your ankle during sports practice, or your ankle giving way when walking on uneven ground. Patients don't usually describe hearing or feeling a pop inside their ankle when the injury occurred. You may still need to leave the sporting field, but often you can come back on with your ankle strapped. But in general, you are not in horrible pain and you can continue to walk on your ankle. There can be swelling and bruising, but this is not usually major. Within hours to days after your injury, you should be able to walk more comfortably with minimal pain. Yes, you might still be a bit sore and swollen, but overall, things start to improve quite rapidly. In this situation, I would recommend making an appointment with a good sports physiotherapist or podiatrist. They can assess you, and in most situations, you probably won't even require an X-ray or any other scans. The key thing is that you should feel continued improvement day by day and week by week. A return to full activities does vary, but you should be back doing pretty much everything within 2 to 6 weeks. Even if there is significant damage to the ATFL, CFL or deltoid ligament, these can often heal up with scar tissue and don't always require surgical repair. Quality rehabilitation is absolutely essential in recovering from a simple ankle sprain. The main goal is to prevent your simple ankle sprain from turning into a complex ankle sprain that requires surgery. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that because you're already improving that this isn't necessary. You'll put your ankle at much higher risk of re-injury when you return to normal activities. A few sessions with a sports physiotherapist or podiatrist, and then prescribing you a quality rehabilitation program is a very worthwhile investment. Now, some patients will not fully recover from a simple ankle sprain, and it may become a chronic ankle sprain. Ongoing pain, swelling, or their ankle giving way are the common symptoms. If these symptoms don't settle within 6 to 12 weeks, you may have also had a complex ankle sprain which requires further investigation. If this happens, then arrange an appointment with your GP or sports doctor for some further advice. A careful examination, X-ray and sometimes an MRI scan is required to diagnose the cause of your symptoms. And some patients may require surgery for a simple ankle sprain that never really settles down. In this situation, the main treatment options are keyhole surgery or arthroscopy to remove painful scar tissue from the ankle joint, or to treat underlying cartilage damage. Sometimes patients may also require repair of torn or stretched out ankle ligaments. You can also check out the videos on complex ankle sprains and chronic ankle sprains on my website for further information. Because I have a special interest in acute ankle injuries, I keep some appointments free every week to see patients who need to be seen quickly. This means I can usually see you within a few days if required, and surgery could be arranged soon after this if necessary. If you'd like to talk to me about your ankle, then please call my rooms at any time to arrange an appointment. If you haven't already had appropriate scans, then I can easily arrange these prior to seeing you.